Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unfix here, and today I'm gonna show you on how to undo these lock nuts updo. As well guys, I'm gonna show you on how to wash clean your locks. So welcome guys, and just to begin with guys, I understand that we did this style some time back. It's been a month and a week, and due to busy schedule guys, we could have undone this, this ban in 21 days or 4 weeks. So guys, I'm going to show you on how to undo these lock nuts, and just due to a cry of many guys, people have been asking how do we put down this kind of style without creating harm on our lock strands. Guys, if you didn't see how this style was done, there's a video on YouTube guys on how to do this lock nut updo. You can revisit my channel guys and get some knowledge on how to come up with this beautiful band. Just to tip you guys, we did so many styles using this similar method of lock nuts, even the barrel bob. Guys, people have been asking me on how we can put down this beautiful, lock nuts. Same with the, you remember the bob, the barrel bob. So same procedure we have been using to do the barrel bobs, and the the lock nuts is same procedure which has been done here. So guys, I'm going to show you on how you can put down these lock nuts without damaging the hair, and it's very simple. So after that guys, I'm going to show you on how I'm going to wash clean the temporary color and my dreadlocks. It's quite simple guys, and I've never chose to show a tutorial on how to undo, because I usually believe that this is just a simple process, but I'm gonna show you the way to go about it. Just pick one of the lock nuts. Remember, this is the point where we secured the final ending tip inside a certain loop. If you don't know how we came out with this kind of lock nut guys, just revisit the channel, there's a video about that. So you can choose to pull the tip from the loop, or else guys, you can just fold the lock nut that way, slide out the locks that way. So after reaching that level, you realize that your locks are coming out. Then after loosening your locks, pull the tip out of the loop that way. It's gonna be simple. Then just pull your lock strand open. So just pick your lock nut, tilt it a little bit. You can see, you tilt it. Now you can quickly identify the lock strands. Then pick one of the lock strands next to the loop, slide it over the loop that way. Then make some few turns that way, anti-clockwise. Remember we did the lock nut clockwise, so go anti-clockwise that way. You realize that your lock nut is coming out. Then at the tip, just pull the lock strand out of the loop that way. Then slide your dreadlock all the way down that way. Guys, you can have a look. We are halfway done, and our style now gives out this bouncy cut. After wearing this style for, let's say for a week, you can design to undo the style guys, and these are the results that you will get. So you can wear this style for another 2 weeks. Since that we have been showing different way of undoing the lock nuts, now I'm gonna show you the simplest way, which we say that if you're not keen, you might end up loosening the tips of the locks. But if you can manage to pick the tips, like on my case guys, remember that I created a loop here where I inserted the tip, and by inserting the tip, I used to pick it at certain level in a way that we are left out with a tip here, which you can use to pull out the lock strand from the loop, hence undoing the lock knots. So guys, just pick this tip here, that way, pull it out that way, then it comes up. Very simple. That way, pick this tip here, pull it out, guys, that way, then that way. Very simple. Pick this one, pull it out. You see, it's a nice way of doing lock knots without using rubber bands. Same when undoing the locks. It's a quick way, guys, on how to undo the lock knots. Alright, now guys, this becomes our final look. After undoing the lock knots, you come up with these kind of bouncy curls. So bouncy curls, guys, which can serve you for some time. On our case, guys, I'm going to show you on how you can wash out the color as well as washing our logs clean. So here you realize that we haven't used yarn here, just to put our pony up here. So just cut off the yarn that way. This is how our scarf looks like. You can have a look. Not that even though the hairstyle has served for over a month. Now this depends with the product we used. So now we are going to soak the curls in water. Just observe how the temporary color will be coming out. Remember, guys, we said that this is just temporary color and it causes no harm on your locks. But you need to know the best way on how to wash it out. Ensure you close your sink here so that the water doesn't drain out. Then soak the curls inside the water. That's how my water looks like. The color is totally dissolving in water. Remember, we said that these are temporary colors and they cause no harm. Ensure that you wash off the color with some warm water. So guys, now we are going to apply our first ounce of shampoo. I want to thank you for those who are sending super thanks. Thank you guys for your super thanks. That's another way of supporting the channel. Guys, remember that you can as well join membership for more interactive tutorials. After doing my first ounce of shampoo and rinsing off, guys, I'm gonna use some detox just to clear out any oils in the hair as well as dirt. It's my detox. So after applying the detox, guys, make sure you spread it. Spread it all the way back. Spread it. Try and do some massage movements. Now through this, guys, you will realize that your dirt will be coming out with easiness, and you'll be unclogging the hair follicles. That way, guys, will be improving blood circulation on the scalp surface. Not forgetting that it will also help you guys to wipe out if there is any remains of the color wax. You can just massage it, guys, and leave it for some few minutes. That is 3 to 5 minutes. Right, guys, now I'll be doing my second ounce of shampoo. Remember, we did the first one, then we did the detox, then I'm gonna use shampoo again. My second ounce of shampoo and the final one. That way. Then, guys, I'm gonna mix it with some tea tree oil. This is my tea tree oil, guys. I'm gonna hand some few drops, like 10 to 15 drops. The reason being that my tea tree, guys, it has got carrier. It's not 100% conch. So the reason why I've just used tea tree oil, guys, is that it's a nice product which has got antiseptic properties, and it's believed to be rich in antiviral, antibacterial, and fungal properties. So that way, guys, you'll be kinda disinfecting the scalp and the hair as well, hence keeping your hair and scalp off any bacterial infections. So after application, guys, try and massage it on the scalp surface, that way, slowly. So by doing so, guys, it soothes the scalp, hence improving blood circulation. And by improving blood circulation, guys, you realize that mono activities will be active, thereby encouraging hair growth, and not just hair growth, guys, healthy hair growth. Leave it for some 3 to 5 minutes to settle, then you rinse off. Alright, guys, this is my finishing look. You can have a look, guys. We have washed our hair clean. That's how the scalps look like. The scalp is pretty clean, and the loc strands are clean as well. You know, we have taken out all the wax, the temporary color wax, and now we have reverted our loc strands to their original color. So for the styling part, guys, I'm going to show you on how you can retwist your locks without using wax in my next tutorial. So guys, stay locked for more tutorials to come, and thank you for being there. Thank you for watching, choosing to watch my channel. And let's move on, guys. Next tutorial will be on how to twist the loc strands without using wax. Keep on subscribing, guys. Like my work, comment, and share to your friends. Don't forget to join membership. Thank you, guys.